Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. It's online sport program, EPSEC Secretariat, level is secondary, class 8. Your subject is mathematics and week is 10. Okay, over here, Army Public School and College Khanewal. On the behalf of Army Public School and College Khanewal, I'm Miss IQRA TANVEER, your mathematics teacher, and I am here to teach you on online sport program that is assignment number 2 and week is 10. We are going to start our lecture, and here we are having textbook Oxford New Syllabus Mathematics to 7th edition, page numbers 491 to 499. Unit name is chapter number 17, exercise 17A, and the main topic is average of statistical data, and the subtopic is mean, resource required, textbook, pencil, rural, writing material, and the summary of the lesson is what is mean and how to calculate the mean from the different type of the data and how you will calculate the mean from the diagrams. Okay. Here we are having the recap or brainstorming of our previous lesson, that what we have done in the previous lesson. So we have done the basic statistical averages. Okay, we are going to discuss that there are three most common measures: mean, mode, and median. And the main agenda to discuss today, that is mean. Over here, brainstorming of mean is the mean average. Okay, hint, what is the procedure to solve the mean? That is, add up all the values and then divide by how many you have. Like example is given over here: 29, 18, 24, 26, 27, 32. We'll add all these numbers and count how many are these: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it's 6. When you'll add all these numbers and divide with the 6, I get the answer, that is 26. Learning, and the objective of lesson is learn about the mean of different type and calculate mean from different type of data, and student will be able to find mean from dot diagram, stem and leaf diagram and histogram. Here we are having the proper definition of mean. That what is mean? Mean is what most people commonly refer to as an average. The mean refers to the number you obtain when you sum up a given set of numbers and then divide this sum of by the total number in the set. Mean is also referred to more correctly as arithmetic mean. Okay, let's have a again look to the definition. That the mean is the average that we got by adding all the given data and by dividing that one data with the number of the data. Formula is given over here. That what is the formula? Sum of the values divided by the number of data. Here we are having one example. That what is the example? Example number, work example 14. The weekly salaries of employees in a company are recorded. Okay, one table is given over here: weekly salaries. One row is for the weekly salaries, in the second row is number of employees. You can see that the number of employees are 20, 8, 10, 7 and 5. 20 employees are getting 1000 rupees salary, 8 are getting 1100, 10 are getting 1200 and the 7 are getting 2100 and 5 are getting 2500. Now what is the agenda to solve this table? The total number of employees in a company. First question: the total salary paid to the employees in a week and the mean weekly salary of the employees. So first I'll solve the first part, total number of employees. So you can see number of employees are given over here. By adding this row, I can get 20 plus 8 plus 10 plus 7 plus 5. I got 50. And the total salary of employees in a week. So I'm going to find the salary. 20 employees are getting 1000 rupee salary. So I'll multiply 20 with the 1000, 8 with 1100, and then 10 with 1200 7 with 2100, and by multiplying 5 with the 2500, and by getting the product of these, I'll add all these products, and then I'll find the total salary of 1 week. By multiplying and by adding, I got 68,000. That is the salary of 1 week of all employees. Next, mean weekly salary. We have to find the mean of weekly salary. Sum of the salaries over number of the employees. Sum of the salaries is 68,000, and the number of employees, let's see how many number of employees over here: 28, 10, 7 and 5. By adding all these, we got in the first part, that is 50. So 68,000 over 50, I got the answer, that is 1360. So this is the mean salary of the week. Here we are having the practice now 15. That is, you can see that the diagram is shown over here, that is dot diagram. The dot diagram represents the number of siblings, 15 students. Okay. Okay, here we are having the dot diagram. So find the number of siblings they have. So what we have to do, in the dot diagram, we are having dots are mentioned over here. This is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 0 to 4 points we are having, and these dots are mentioning the data. Okay, so in the dot diagram, what you have to do, this is the formula of data, that is summation f x and summation f. Now look over here, this is the thinking time. You have to think, what does mean by this sign? This sign is having two names. We can say that this is summation and this is sigma. So it is used for the sum up of the values. When you add all these values, this sign is used for the sum. So summation fx over summation f, summation fx. Now what is f and what is x? These all points are called the point 0, 1, 2, 3, and these all are the frequencies that is mentioning over here. These blue dots you can see on the screen, and 0 multiplied by 4, over here we are having 0. So 0 multiplied by 4 and 1 multiplied by 5, 5 dots are there. Then 2 multiplied by 3, we are having 3 dots, and then 2 multiplied by 2, and so we 3 multiplied by 2 and 4 multiplied by 1. And total dots, you can count all these dots are 16, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and this one is 16. And by dividing, we got 1.3. Okay, so let's move to the next. Practice now 5. In chemistry, pH is the measure of the acidity of a solution. The stem and leaf diagram represent the pH value of 20 acidic solutions. Find mean pH value of the solutions by stem and leaf diagram. Stem and leaf diagram is given to you. Over here, the most important thing that is we have to follow, that is key. Its mean 9 means 1.9. Over here you can see 449. It's mean every whole number, like if we are having 4, the according to key it's mean 1.4. If we are having 3, according to key it is 1.3. And if we are having 1, according to key it is 1.1. And what is the sum of the data, like total number of data? I'll add all these stem 4, 3, 7, H9, and 1 will be added, it is 10. Let's move to the solution. Again we are having the diagram, so I'll add all this data according to formula. I have to add all the data, so but the key is given, that is 1.4, 1.4, 1.9, 1.3, 1.6. So as it is, I'll add all this data from this point to last one point, and total number of data is 10. So by dividing the 10, I got 3.09, and by the key I solved my question very easily and I got my answer, that is 3.09 is the mean of the given data. Okay, here we are having question number 11 from 17a. The height of 3 plants A, B, C, and D in the garden are in the ratio 2, 3, 5. The mean height is 30 centimeter. Find the height of plant B. We have to find the height of plant B. And second part is, if another plant D is added to the garden such that the mean height of the fourth plant is now 33 centimeter, find the height of plant D. Okay, let's solve the first part, that we have to find the height of plant B. 2 ratio 3 ratio 5. So I'm assuming that that is the fourth one plant, that is x. Okay, I'm taking one unknown value, that is x. 2x plus 3x plus 5x over 3, and the mean is 30. So 2, when I'll divide 3 over here, it will be 90. By adding all these number, I got 10x, and by dividing 10 with 90, I got x is equal to 9. So here I have to find the height of the plant B. Height plant B is 3. So over here I put the value 3x. 3x is equal to 27. So by dividing 3 on both sides, I got x is equal to 9. So it's mean height of the plant B, that is, it will be 9. Okay, it 9, and it will be 27. 9 threes are 27, so this is the unknown value, that is 9. By putting, I can find the value of, that is 27. X value is 9. By putting over here, 3 nines are 27. Second part, if another plant is added to the garden, okay, okay, by adding all one another plant plus d over 4. Now in the first part we are having total data is 3, but now this is 4, and the mean is given, that is 33 centimeter. So by adding all these, 10x plus d is equal to 132. By dividing 4 on other side with the 33, I got 132. D is equal to 10x. How 10x? By putting the value of x over here, 10 nines are 90. 132 minus 90, I got the value of d, that is 42 centimeter. So this is the question number 11. I hope it's clear to you people, but if you didn't understand any concept, you can ask in your assignment. I'll explain again in the next lecture. And here we are having the written work, that what is the practice now 4 and 5, and the worked example also you have to attempt, and all these practice now are based on the relevant worked example. Textbook page number 493 to 495. Textbook page number exercise 17A, question number 8, 10, and 11. Textbook page number 498 to 499. And the difficulty level of the question is basic. Here we are having the note. Written practice of the assigned task will be done regularly, and assignments to be the regularly submitted to subject teacher according to the procedure. And stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Thank you. Allah Hafiz to all of you.